My name is Ahan and my birthday is today. My name is Amaya and my birthday is tomorrow.
My name is Vanij and my birthday is on 13.
My name is Agam and my birthday falls on 10 July.
My name is Jiravan and my birthday falls on 14 July.
My name is Damsinder and my birthday falls on today. My name is Namanpreet Kaur and my birthday is tomorrow. My birthday falls on 13 July.
My name is Gulnawaz. My birthday falls on 25th July.
You also give the mic to him.
My name is Gurpata. My birthday falls on 20th July.
I request Honorable Principal Ma'am to come on the stage.
You can sit down, you don't have to get up.
And be attentive.
So all the children at the back, those children in the front middle row at the back, are you able to hear me? What about you at the end? Yeah, very nice. And What about you? At the back? Right, good. So, today's assembly was on Van Mahotsav. You know what is Van Mahotsav? So, you have to have a plant or a tree planted any day, whenever you want to, and please look after that plant. You know how much time does it take a plant to become a tree? Years. Very nice. It takes a lot of years, right? So if you do it today, in another 5 years, 10 years, the plant will become a tree. So all of you will plant today, but it should be on the ground. It should not be in a pot. You know where tree is grown? Where? Yes, in open. So wherever you are staying, you please take a plant, and the plant should not be a normal plant, flowering plant. It should be a plant of a tree, right? So please plant it, look after that plant, and then when you grow, the plant will also grow into trees. Will you do that? How many of you will do? Tell me. Good. Promise? Okay, that's very nice. So big round of applause to class 3C. Gagan, very nicely presented assembly. The children spoke very well. And I want to call the girl Mishika. Where is Mishika? Mishika is her name? Mishika, can you come here?
Who wrote that song?
She has written a song, and that song was sung by everybody. Please give her a big round of applause. Very nice to hear. So everybody can write something very nice, and it will be composed by our music sir. And thank you Sanju, it was very nicely sung by them, and the music was also very nice. So all the children, please do it. Mishika has done it, you can also do it. Start writing something nice and give it to sir. Let sir compose something on that, and you can present in your assembly. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you.